Hello everyone, welcome to section 2, lesson 1, part 10, point, measure and divide. So I showed you point before that there is no shortcut for points, so we just write POINT, enter, then we click, enter, click, enter, click, enter, click. So every time I enter, it goes back to the previous command. So this is how you draw points. Now you must be wondering how I get those symbols. You can select those symbols by going to the format and go to the point style. We can select any of them. So say I want this. Okay. So every points now will turn into circles, the symbols that I selected. Now more I want to talk about the point style. You see at the bottom here I set size related to the screen. My point size is 5 plus minus inches right now. So if I do set size in absolute limit, so that means no matter what's my screen is, the size is going to be the same. So let's see a view of that. So it's really, this is like a 5-inch dot. No matter how I zoom out or zoom in with my wheel, it will be always the same size. So I prefer related to the screen, so I go to format, point style, and I set this one as my default. Okay, so this will turn into the size I want. So when I zoom out, I regenerate it, say RE, enter, regenerate, it will show me the size which will be more of a cooperative to the screen size. So you can draw points in three different places. One is by writing points on the command bar. One is the draw toolbar that I usually get it out from by right clicking on the menu bar and you click draw comments that way. And also another way, you can go to the menu and go to draw and select points, where there is 4 different options. You can say single point, so you click another one point and you just draw the single point. Then you go draw 10 points. Once again, if you do multiple points, you click, 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 and it will just keep on drawing as many points as possible. Today's lesson also talks about how to divide or how to measure things. So I'm going to draw a line, L, enter. So this is a line. Say I want to divide this line. So I can either do DIVIDE, divide, enter. Then I select the object. That is, say how many segments. Say I want 5. So I have a 5 different segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how you divide things. Also, you can also do it from the menu. Draw, go to the points, and you say divide, and it just tells 10. So for example, and 10. So what happened? Okay. So I'm gonna go draw. I'm sorry about that. Divide. And it says select the object. That it says how many segments. I said 10. Enter. So it divides into 10 segments. Another one is how to measure things. So this, say suppose this is my line I want to measure. I usually do it by DI, enter, for distance. So I click this point and that point, and it shows on that blue thing in here what's the distance of that. Also, you can also find it on the commands line. It's 8 feet 6 and 3/8 inches long on the x-axis, since this is the x line and this is the y, and the z is 0 or y is 0. So this is how you can measure, divide and draw points, and you can also change your point style. And another thing I showed you last time about points, that how to manipulate points, PD mode and PD size, which you can always go to that video and watch. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.